I want you all to realize, take a deep breath of this air, because you are in the presence of something special. And everybody better know that. We are graced by their presence and their special union. We're all very, very lucky to be here. We're all in a very small little stable of friends. And nobody in this room will forget this night. Husband and wife, does that sound good? Does that sound good?
Whoa, oh, oh, whoa, oh, oh, whoa.
Hi, it's me. I just got home and I got the gift that you left me, and I love you, and I love the card. It was so nice of you.
This is where the days are easy, so I can't stop this heart from spinning. But if I could, I would live each moment like the first time. Like the first time. You got me from the get-go, and I don't want to let go. This is real. I can feel my heartbeat for the first time. Morning comes like a new song, everyone singing along. This is real. I can feel my heartbeat for the first time, for the first time. Feel the sunrise on my skin, a brand new day, and I am living. No more chains to hold me down. I'm flying for the first time. For the first time. You got me from the get-go, and I don't want to let go. This is real. I can feel my heartbeat for the first time. Morning comes like a new song, everyone singing along. This is real. I can feel my heartbeat for the first time, for the first time. You got me from the get-go, and I don't want to let go. This is real. I can feel my heartbeat for the first time. Morning comes like a new song, everyone singing along. This is real. I can feel my heartbeat for the first time, for the first time.
So, Andrew, give your life for your wife and your family. And your life is just beginning. Your new life is going to be richer and better and more fruitful. Lauren, receive your husband as Christ was received by his people and is faithful to her. And you open your heart to him and receive his love, his grace, as Christ loves his church.
I, Andrew, take you, Lauren, to be my wife.
I promise to be true to you.
I promise to be true to you.
In good times and in bad.
In good times and in bad.
In sickness and in health.
In sickness and in health.
I will love you and honor you.
I will love you and honor you.
All the days of my life.
All the days of my life.
I, Lauren,
take you, Andrew,
take you, Andrew,
to be my husband.
to be my husband.
I promise to be true to you
I promise to be true to you
in good times and in bad,
in good times and in bad,
in sickness and in health.
in sickness and in health.
I will love you and honor you
I will love you and honor you
all the days of my life.
all the days of my life.
My pleasure to introduce to you Mr. and Mrs. Andrew Carlson.
But there was one person who helped me get through it, and that was Lauren. Her doctors were great, and our friends and family were there for us every step of the way. But Lauren really helped me keep it together. I would look at her and I would say to myself, she's the one that's actually going through the treatments, and she's holding it together better than I am. There was good days and there was bad days, but she never gave up. I didn't know 6 years ago when Lauren and I started dating that she would become one of the strongest people I've ever met. Her strength and her motivation has made me a stronger person, both personally and professionally, and I'll always love her for that.
Then we grew into our 30s, and we started to grow apart, as sisters normally do. It's normal, but a wall grew between us that we are trying so hard to break through. And this union of Lauren and Andrew is helping us get closer again. Lauren, I want to thank you for always being there to pick up the pieces when I fall. I want to thank you for acting like a big brother to me. I wish you both the greatest happiness. You are her perfect Prince Charming, and you guys will definitely live happily ever after. So here's a toast to Mr. and Mrs. Andrew Carlson. Congratulations.
You sit here and you say to yourself, how did this happen? Well, I honestly think it was just a duh moment. It was a no-brainer. It happened, and I don't think any one of us sitting around in this close group of friends ever sat back and said, gee, that's interesting. Or, hey, how'd that happen? It was kind of just like, yeah, it was one of those, it was a no-brainer moment. And I don't, it sounds simplistic. I don't know how else to put it. That's how I think.